Hey everyone, I'm Andy Rafael from eTeknix.com, and today we're looking at something quite interesting and probably a little bit off the beaten track. Here we have the Luft-Qui, or Luft-Chi, Luft-Qui air purifier by Titus & Wayne. This product is currently open for backing on Indiegogo, so we're here to tell you if it's worth your money. The first thing that you'll probably notice about the Luft-Chi is its size. It's extremely small, no bigger than a soda can, and it weighs less than 6 ounces. This is vastly more compact than most traditional filters, which tend to be rather bulky. One of the main selling points of the Luft-Chi compared to other air purification products is that it has a completely filterless design. Instead of capturing pollutants like traditional filter designs, it completely breaks them down. It uses a patented UV-activated chemical reaction called photocatalytic oxidation to destroy mold, bacteria, airborne chemicals, viruses, and to eliminate bad odours from your environment. To quote from the Indiegogo page, independent studies demonstrated that the Luft-Chi destroys more than 80% of bacteria and mold in 30 minutes. And Titus & Wayne have a very impressive time-lapse video that compares mold and bacteria growth between untreated air and air treated with the Luft-Chi. It also sets itself apart with its impressive handling of viruses, which are too small to be eliminated entirely from the air by most filters, but which the Luft-Chi claims to efficiently destroy. The Luft-Chi is capable of covering an area of 177 square feet, or 16 square meters, which is pretty huge, especially for a product of its size. It eliminates volatile organic compounds at the molecular level. In one test, it removed 91% of formaldehyde from the surrounding air, and Titus & Wayne have a demonstration video that shows this. It should be of special interest to allergy sufferers, people who live in a smoky or smelly environment, and for those with young children who will obviously benefit from cleaner, purer air. No filters means no waste and no refills, and the product also boasts that no ozone is created as a side product. The Luft-Chi doesn't use batteries but is powered via micro USB, so you can power it on the go, or from your PC, power bank, or any other USB interface, although you will need to supply your own plug. According to Titus & Wayne, the Chi will cost less than $5 a year on your energy bills. Colour-wise, the Chi comes in 5 choices: aqua blue, pink, and 3 variations of white with different coloured grills: iron black, silver, and maroon. I've got every colour here except the maroon banded version, which is with our written reviewer, and I'll link that down below. There is also a handmade hardwood version available to Indiegogo backers. Each filter comes with Titus & Wayne branding on the air intake grill. Custom engraving is also an option for an extra $15, and this is pretty cool if you're looking to buy this as a present. I've got 2 of ours for my kids' bedrooms with their names engraved. Inside is a high quality server style fan that does run quieter than standard purifiers, though still not silently, and noise may be an issue depending on your tolerance. Earlier on in the year, we reviewed a product called the Foobot, which essentially analysed the air quality in your house. It analysed it for volatile compounds and just general bacteria. This is going one step further by actually eliminating it. We said at the time that you can't put a price on health, and now we have a purifier that addresses these issues. The Luft-Chi's patented technology does an excellent job of bad air goes in, fresh air comes out, while being compact, stylish, and affordable. Personally, I'm making use of the 4 that I have here, knowing that mine, my family, my children, all of our health is going to be as good as it can be, is definitely an important thing to me. Some good locations I found for the Chi include inside my car, by my bed, in my living room, and in my office. As it removes odours as well as pollutants, the kitchen would also be a prime location. The Luft-Chi is currently still open for backing on Indiegogo, and there are some nice perks on offer, including that handcrafted hardwood edition of the filter. We think it's definitely worth some crowdfunding, so go and take a look. Of course, with this product, there's no way I can physically see that it's doing any good. other than just knowing that my health is maybe that a little bit better. And especially with my kids involved, I think this is a great product. So I honestly think it does deserve a backing. If you do too, let us know in the comments below. Remember to smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.